नमस्ते बच्चों, welcome back to your online classes. Today, editing the passage. In your examination, this is very important part of your grammar. So you should learn how to edit the passage. In the answer key, you have to write both the correct or incorrect words. For writing incorrect and correct word, you will get 1 marks. So remember, you have to write both the incorrect and the correction. In each line, there is a mistake. In each line, there is a mistake, and you have to find out. You have to find out that you have to find out which is incorrect, and in your answer key, you will write both the correct or incorrect part of your answer. So, what is the thing? First of all, you read the whole passage. See, the word is started from the sentence is started from there, and here it is full stop. So from here to here, this is one sentence. From they to them, the second sentence, and from hunger to near and dear ones is the third sentence. But all these three sentences are divided in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8 parts that will carry 4 marks. Now, there is a mistake, there is an error in each line. You have to find the mistake. You have to find the mistake. You read the sentence. Poverty is the root cause of. Poverty is the root cause of all evil. Full stop. Read it. Poverty is the root cause of all evil. What is wrong here? Poverty is the root cause of all evils. So here, the evil is incorrect. Here, right? In your answer, you will write incorrect and correction. The incorrect is evil. The second line is evil. And evils. Okay? Poverty is the root cause of all evils. The poor suffers because they do not want to take a first step. The poor suffers because they do not want to take a first step. So what is the mistake over here? The poor suffers. The poor suffer. The poor is a plural. The poor stands for the whole class of the poor. The poor stands for the whole class of the poor. So it is quite natural. The poor, the rich, it stands for the whole class. It stands for plural. So the poor suffer. It will be not suffers. So the poor suffer because they. Here you could say they किसके लिए आया poor के लिए. So it is justified because they do not want to take the first step. एक की जगह दो. They do not want to take the first step. Okay? They feel happy. They feel happy and they are well fed, they feel happy and they are well fed. क्या मिस्टेक इसमें? They feel happy and के यहाँ पर और they are well fed. They feel happy or they are well fed. They feel happy और के जगह पर क्या हो जाएगा? और they are well fed. They expect they expect they expect whatever is given. तो यहाँ पर देखिए गिवन है तो they expected they expected whatever is given to them, whatever is given to them. आप ये हट जाएगा given to them, given up नहीं आप हट जाएगा given to them. आपके जगह पर आपके जगह पर कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है तो ऐसे देकर नल कर देंगे फाइल नल ऐसे देकर ऐसे थीटा की तरह लिख देंगे दैट इज नल whatever is given to them, whatever is given to them. या आपको और भी कह सकते हैं गिवन ऑफ टू देम. Hunger make a person look at a job. Hunger make a person. तो हंगर क्या है? सिंगर है मेक्स हो जाएगा यहाँ पर मेक्स. तो हंगर मेक्स ए पर्सन लुक फॉर ए जॉब. लाइफ के जगह पर फॉर हो जाएगा फॉर ए जॉब to support himself and his near and dear ones. One day, dear ones. So here you have seen that how editing of a passage is done. In each line, there was a mistake I have written. Now, as I have, you just underline those mistakes, but in examinations, you are not supposed to underline the mistakes in your question paper. If you will write your underline your answer in question paper, for that you may be expelled. It is considered as a cheating. So don't do in your question paper. What is right way that you write the rough answer, not the fair answer. Rough answer in a rough sheet. Make a rough of the editing passage. Only write the correct or incorrect. How to do? You write in that way. Correct and incorrect. I am doing like this. How to write? In a rough version. In a rough you write, make the copy like that, rough. Like this. Divide. Correct. Sorry, incorrect and correct. Incorrect, correct. That's this. You write. Then, the first line incorrect, evil. Correction, evils. The second line, what is the second line? The poor suffers. Suffer. S U double F. S suffers. यहाँ हो जाएगा सफर ऐसी डबल like this. So half mark for this, half marks for this, half marks for this, so it will carry 1 mark. If you will write anything, if you have not written this one, you will lose half marks. If you have written only this and not this, you will lose only the half marks. So if you only write the incorrect word, you will get the marks, but half marks. For getting or for securing whole marks, you have to write incorrect and correct. If both are written wrong, 0 marks will be given. If your incorrect and corrections are wrong, then you will be given 0 marks. If your incorrect word is wrong and correct word is right, then you will be given half marks. There are so many options. So be careful whenever you try to attempt an editing passage. Okay? Now, this is the way you do the rough work. Then, after doing the rough work, turn the page and copy the answer in your fair. Doing rough work in mathematics, you do it frequently. But in English, for God's sake, in grammar, rough work is very important, my dear children. If you are doing rough work in grammar, you are doing a very good job for you. And in this way, you could enhance 10% of your marks. For writing, rough work is necessary. Two parts, that is writing and grammar. That is very important part of your examination paper. And mostly you are very careless when you attempt those parts. That part is the most scoring part. If you are a little bit cautious, if you are a little bit careful, I suppose you will get a very, very good marks. Remember my words, that doing rough work is not a wastage of time. In fact, a good planner always save time for rough work. If you are doing rough work, it means you are saving your marks. If you want to score more than 96, 98, or even the 100, whenever we go for cross-checking and when we go for comparison of the marks, we have seen the student get 100 marks. How they get? They are rough work, they write so neat and clean. So these things are very important, my dear children, as you are going to take the board examination. So remember that if you are not careful regarding these things, you will be a loser. I know that you are very much careful regarding the marks. So be careful if you want to obtain or score high marks, then high quality of thing is required. Only by thinking that I am going to get the good marks, I will score that much marks is not at all, my dear. A proper planning is very, very important. Now, next, the next reading passage we will do. Please see. If you have any query, please write in box. If you have any query, write it in box. When asked, when asked, when asked, what it what it was like. When asked what it was like being a woman on her feet, being being a woman in her field, on her feet, on her field. The next line, she replies, she replies, comma. She replies, I really never, I really never I really never ever thought. I really never ever ever thought. I really never ever thought while while pursue my while pursue P-U-R-S-U-E, pursue my while pursue my while pursue my studies studies or doing something or doing something something doing something else, E-L-S-E, else, doing something else, that I am a woman, that I am a woman, that I am a woman, or or a or a different or a different country or a different country. Here you see, here there is a editing. Each line, edit the, you have to, there is an error in each line, write the incorrect or correct, write the correct or incorrect word, write the correct or incorrect against the your gap in your question paper. It will be printed, but the way that I have suggested you, that first of all read the sentence properly and see how the sentence ends and starts. This is from here to here. This is the one sentence. The sentence starts from here and it ends full stop, inverted comma के अंदर. She replies के बाद पूरा यहां से वो हो जाता है ना. When asked what it was like being a woman on her feet, she replies, I really never ever thought will pursue my studies and doing something else, that I am a woman or a different country or a different country. Please see, please see. I am showing you. Please see it again. When asked what is like, what it was like being a woman on her field, she replies, I really never ever thought while pursuing my study or doing something else, that I am a woman or a different country. Now you have to arrange. You have to edit that. Now, when asked what it was, when asked what it was like, what is wrong over here? what it was like being a woman on her field. देखिए जब मिलता जाए करते जाइए ऑन के लिए the best way, first of all, you do the whole reading and whatever comes in mind on. On her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my study or doing something else that I am a woman or a difference में लगा डिफरेंट कंट्री. देखिए तीन मिस्टेक्स को मैंने देखिए आपको तरीका मैंने बताया हाउ इजीली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड द सेंटेंस केयरफुली एट a glance. Whatever comes your mind, you underline it. At least three mistakes you could underline very easily. That is the proper way. Then reread it. At least three mistakes, that means 3 marks you are going to get. So be careful, very easy. For three mistakes, incorrect word and correct words, you will get 3 marks. So 1 mark is to be left. So this is where you can do it very easily. Now read it again. When asked what it was like, what it was like, what it was like, it is adjective, it is not verb. What it was like, being a woman, the like will become like. What it was like being a woman in her field. When asked what it was like a woman, the like being लगाने से आपको जरा से कंफ्यूज करने के लिए बीइंग लगा दिया गया, बट बीइंग लगाने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा एडजेक्टिव में. लाइक a woman, like a teacher, what it was like a teacher, what it was like a student. When it was, when asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replies, पूछा उसने लास्ट टाइम पे, she replied. Replies का क्या होता है? She replied, I really never thought that I really never ever, she replied, I really never ever thought pursue से बन गया while pursuing my studies or doing something else, and pursuing doing something else. स्टडी का स्टडीज हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. while pursuing my studies, स्टडी यहाँ पर है तो वाई पढ़ा चलिए इस लगा देंगे. स्टडीज or doing something else, that I am a woman, in a और मतलब क्या होगा in a different country, in a different country, when asked what it is like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing something else that I am a woman in a different country. Now, you have underlined this. This is rough one. But you will not do in the question paper. I have directly done in the question paper. But what you will do? You will take a separate page and what you will do? You will do the rough work. You will do a rough work. I am just omitting it. You will see how I will do it. First of all, I will do a rough work. For doing rough work, एक सिंपल सा पेज लिखेंगे, उसमें सारे रफ वर्क को इंग्लिश में करेंगे, इनकरेक्ट एंड करेक्ट। इसी तरह से लिखना है इनकरेक्ट एंड करेक्ट। ए लाइक दिस, ऐसे ऐसे, बी ऐसे ऐसे, you do like this. Now what is the first sentence? When asked what it was like, यहाँ पर क्या है? Like. Incorrect word is like, correction is like. You will have to answer like this. Doing the rough work is very important. If you do the rough work, that is very important. You do the rough work in this way. Only by doing this way you can get correct answer. There is no other way. If you are trying to escape, if don't be overconfident, because overconfidence always causes tragedy. It was overconfidence that Julius Caesar was the victim of his confidence. So don't be overconfident. Confidence is good. Overconfidence, you are crossing the limit. So you should be confident about what you are writing, but try to recheck it. Try to follow the basic. Even the greatest batsmen, when they come to the pitch, they face 2 or 3 balls. It is very difficult to come on pitch and directly hit the ball. And some batsman hits the ball, but how much? They may score 20 or 40 runs. Ultimately, they will be out. They will be caught somewhere else. So, in this way, the noun like being a woman on mistake on with the. Then the next thing I was doing B C. What is the mistake in C? Being in her own country, she replied. क्योंकि पास्ट टेंस से बात हो रहा है, she replied, as it is going in past tense, so replied. See, D like this. Replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing. Pursuing. जब आप किसी कोर्स को कर रहे हैं तो परसू नहीं करते, I'm pursuing. What I do? I'm pursuing BBA. I'm pursuing MBA. So from pursuing the word pursuing, doing the pursuing, I am pursuing while pursuing my studies. E. While pursuing my studies and all and doing while pursuing my studies and doing something else, that I am a woman. E. A B C D E F. अब IF में क्या है? Next sentence, studies doing something else, that I am a woman or a person women and a person in a small different country. So all the in a small different country. So this is great. You, this is the rough work that is required to be done by you. If you are in practice of doing these kind of thing, I suppose you will never ever be in false. There may be error, but practice makes man perfect. So, dear students, I suppose you have understood it properly. If you have any query, please write your queries in your inbox so that I can see whoever have not understood it properly. They may raise their hand and may ask their questions. Please, now it is your turn. It is your time to ask the questions. From my side, it is ended. Now, start. Come on. Time is running out. Yes, inbox. If you are facing any difficulty, please ask the question. I am waiting for you. Okay, the time up.